In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WordPress site URL in Bluehost. We're going to walk through updating your site to use a new domain right from your Bluehost dashboard. By the end, your WordPress site will be connected to the domain you want visitors to see, and Bluehost will guide the DNS and verification steps for you. Start by signing in and heading to the My Account home. From there, open the Websites section. This is where all your sites live. Find the website you want to update and open its Manage page. You may see Manage more than once. Just keep going until you're inside the site's management view. Next, look for the area that handles domains and choose Add Domain. Here, you'll search for the domain you want to use as your new site URL. Type it in exactly as you plan to use it, with or without www, and confirm you've selected the correct domain. When you're ready, connect the domain to your website by selecting Connect to Website. If Bluehost asks whether the domain is registered somewhere else, confirm with Yes. This lets Bluehost guide you through pointing that domain to your hosting. You'll now see the recommended path to update name server. Choose that option. Updating name servers tells the world that Bluehost is now the authority for your domain's DNS, which is usually the simplest and most reliable way to move your site over. Keep in mind that name server updates can take some time to propagate globally, often minutes, but sometimes up to 24-48 hours. Next, click Verify Connection to see if everything's already pointing correctly. If propagation hasn't finished yet, you can continue without verification. That's normal. Bluehost will complete checks in the background once DNS catches up. When prompted, check the confirmation box to acknowledge the connection details and proceed. Then click Continue to move forward. Finally, select Finish Connection. Bluehost will finalize the association between your site and the new domain and will typically handle SSL automatically. If you don't see the padlock right away, give it a little time for the certificate to issue. After propagation, visit your domain to confirm your site loads on the new URL. If you're using caching or a CDN, a quick cache clear can help you see the change sooner. That's it. You've connected your domain and effectively changed your WordPress site URL in Bluehost. If anything seems stuck during verification, waiting out DNS propagation is usually the fix. And if you need help, Bluehost support can confirm that your name servers and connection are set correctly.